the question is, a pendulum has time period t for small oscillations. An obstacle P is situated below the point of suspension O. This is the point of suspension at a distance 3L by 4. You can see this length is 3L by 4. The drawing is not perfect. I will draw it again. The pendulum is released from rest. Throughout the motion, the moving string makes small angles with the vertical, time after which the pendulum returns back to its initial position. Okay. Let's write the diagram correctly. This is 3L by 4 and the pendulum of length L is released like this. Okay. This angle is given, it is always small, therefore I can write the time period can be written as 2 pi root over L by G, right? Now see, initially the bob will move like this and up to this point, right? After this point, the effective length of the bob will become L minus 3L by 4, that is L by 4. So the time period will also vary. Therefore I can say initially time period was 2 pi root over L by G, and after it hits that obstacle the time period becomes 2 pi root over, since effective length has been changed to L by 4, therefore I can write T2 is nothing but T1 by 2, right? Now for the first part we need to find the time period. Okay, for the first part, when the particle moves from this point to this point, the time taken would be simply T1 by 4, right? Because we know what is one time period. Time period is nothing but the total time it takes to move from this point to that is from A point to B point and then again return back to A point, right? Therefore this time is nothing but T by 4. This is also T by 4, then return is 3T by 4 and T by 4. This makes the complete T. Therefore I can say the time taken, suppose this point is O, this is A, this is B. The time taken by the bob to move from A to O is T1 by 4. Now from O to B, the time taken by the bob to move from O to B is nothing but T2 by 4 by similar arguments, because here time period is T2, mind it, because time period has been changed due to change in length. Now from B to O, the time taken would again be T2 by 4, and from O to A the time taken is T1 by 4. Therefore the total time period is nothing but T1 by 4 plus T2 by 4 plus T2 by 4 plus T1 by 4, and this is T1 by 2 plus T2 by 2, and it is given in the question that the initial time period is T, so I can write T1 as T, and T2 is nothing but T by 2, so T2 by 2 is T by 4. Therefore the answer would be 3T by 4. Let's look at the option 3T by 4, that is option B is correct. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Phi Solver.